Hello friends, welcome to the magical world of macro photography, where even the tiniest details come alive in extraordinary ways. And when it comes to the perfect season for macro photography, nothing compares to spring. In this video, we will explore why spring offers a playground of endless possibilities for macro photographers. From delicate new blossoms to sparkling raindrops and soft golden light filtering through fresh foliage. Spring brings it all to life. Let's start with one of the most essential elements in photography: light. And spring, it delivers in the most gentle, painterly way. Early spring mornings are a dream for macro photographers. The sun sits low on the horizon, casting soft, diffuse light that filters beautifully through young leaves and blossoms. It's like nature's own light box, perfect for highlighting delicate textures without harsh shadows. Because spring skies often have a light cloud cover, you will find that shadows are less intense, giving your subjects a softer, more flattering look. Now let's talk about what you will be photographing, because spring brings an explosion of life that macro photography was made for. Everywhere you look, nature is waking up. Flowers begin to bloom in stages, offering a variety of shapes, colors and textures, from tight little buds to full open blossoms. This progression gives you multiple opportunities to capture a single subject in entirely different ways. New leaves are also incredibly photogenic in spring. They are soft, translucent, and often edged with fine detail that looks stunning in close-up. Their fresh greens add a vibrant pop to your compositions. And let's not forget the insects, from bees dusted in pollen to ladybugs exploring leaf tips. Spring marks the return of these colorful little characters. With a bit of patience and a steady hand, they can become the stars of your macro story. Spring offers a world of small wonders. It's just a matter of slowing down, looking closely, and letting curiosity lead your lens. Spring doesn't just look beautiful, it feels ideal for macro photography too. The technical advantages of this season make it easier and more enjoyable to spend time outdoors with your camera. First, the mild temperatures. Unlike the extremes of summer or winter, spring mornings are cool but comfortable, perfect for extended sessions without overheating your gear or freezing your fingers. It gives you time to experiment, refine your focus, and explore your surroundings. Early springs also tends to be less windy, especially in the mornings. That stillness is a gift when you are working with shallow depth of field and slow shutter speeds. Then there is the natural spring color palette: soft pastels, vibrant greens, and the occasional splash of bold floral hues. These tones naturally complement each other and make it easier to create balanced, eye-catching compositions straight out of the camera. In short, spring sets the stage for success, from the atmosphere to the color harmony to the comfort of simply being outside with your camera. Now that you are inspired by lighting and the wealth of subjects, let's talk about how to make the most of spring's macro opportunities. Spring's mornings are your golden window for capturing your shots. The light is soft, and the air is still, perfect for shooting delicate subjects like flowers and insects. When it comes to gear, you don't need to overly complex setup. Macro photography can be incredibly accessible. A macro lens is obviously key, but if you don't have one, try using extension tubes or close-up filters to get close. A tripod is an excellent tool to provide stability and support for your heavier camera. The key to great macro shots isn't just the gear, it's also the composition. When composing your spring shots, look for interesting contrasts, like the delicate symmetry of a flower against the jagged texture of a leaf. Take time to experiment with different angles, get low to the ground, shoot up through the leaves, or focus on the edges of petals for those little details that bring your images to life. Once you've captured those stunning spring macro shots, the work doesn't stop there. Post-processing is where you can really enhance the magic of your images and bring out the full beauty of those fine details. First, let's talk about color enhancement. Spring is full of vibrant pastel hues, and post-processing allows you to enhance these tones even further, gently boosting the vibrancy of greens and pinks, or warming up the soft yellows can help your flowers and leaves stand out, making them feel fresh and lively. But be mindful, too much saturation can make colors look unnatural, so aim for a subtle touch that keeps the scene feeling true to life. Textures are what makes spring so special, whether it's the delicate veins in the petal, the tiny hair on a leaf, or the shimmering droplets on the spider's web. In post-processing, sharpening and increasing contrast can help bring out these textures, making your macro subjects pop with dimension and life. Just be sure not to overdo it. Subtlety is key. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment with cropping. Sometimes the best shot is hidden in a small section of your original frame. Cropping can help focus the viewer's attention on your subject and eliminate distraction from the edges of the image, allowing the spring beauty to take center stage. So, grab your camera, step outside and let your lens explore the world of vibrant petals, delicate textures, and shimmering droplets. The beauty of spring is all around you, waiting to be captured in the finest form. If today's tips and examples have inspired you, I'd love to see your spring macro shots. Share your work in our Facebook group or tag me on social media. And don't forget to subscribe for more photography tips and techniques. Until next time, happy shooting and enjoy capturing the magic of spring through your lens.